Have you ever felt like you were doing everything right, praying, working hard, trying to stay positive, and still, nothing seemed to change? If so, you're not alone. This video isn't just another motivational clip. This is the beginning of a journey. A new chapter for you. And for us. This is a brand new channel. And you're watching our very first long-form video. It was created with one goal, to refresh your soul and remind you that God is still in control. Let's walk through this together. Struggle. Life isn't easy. Some days feel like you're drowning in bills, responsibilities, regrets, and pain that no one else seems to understand. You smile in public, cry in silence, and wonder, does God see me? You might even feel guilty for doubting, ashamed for being tired. But let me tell you, God is not mad at you. He's near you. Psalm 34:18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." Objective, to refresh your soul. Today, we hit the reset button. We are going to walk through how faith evolves, how it grows through pain, and what you can do to refresh your soul, even if your life hasn't changed yet. How faith evolves. Faith isn't a straight line. It's not just believing harder. It's going from needing proof to choosing trust. From being afraid to walking boldly. From religion to relationship. You might start by asking, God, if you're real, show me. And over time, something changes. You find yourself saying, God, I know you're real. Help me see you in this. Romans 5:3-4 reminds us. Not only so, but we also glory in our sufferings, because we know that suffering produces perseverance, perseverance, character, and character, hope. That's what faith does, it produces hope, even in hopeless places. Tools to refresh your soul. Let's talk about real tools you can use starting today. Not fluff. Not theory. Practical, biblical tools to revive a tired spirit. 1. Open the Word, even if it's just one verse. You don't need to read the whole Bible in a year. Start with one verse and let it speak to you. Try these. Isaiah 40:31, but those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Psalm 23:1, the Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. Matthew 11:28, come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. That's not poetry. That's power. And it's yours. 2. Journal your faith, not just your feelings. Write down your prayers, even if they're messy. Document the battles and the breakthroughs. Faith grows when you see how far you've come. Even if today feels like failure, it's still part of your testimony. Try writing this: God, I don't understand, but I still trust you. Then read it back tomorrow. 3. Feed your spirit with books that point you to God. Here are a few books that have helped millions grow in faith. The Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren, a 40-day guide to understanding why you're here. The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Scovel Shinn, a classic on using faith-filled words to direct your life. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, not a Christian book, but many principles tie into belief and persistence. 3 Magic Words by U.S. Anderson, a deep look into belief, imagination, and the creative power God gave us. Battlefield of the Mind by Joyce Meyer, on how to take control of your thoughts and stop spiraling into fear. But remember this: the most powerful book you'll ever read is the Bible. The Struggle isn't random. If you're going through something right now, loss, depression, confusion, silence, it's not punishment. It may be preparation. James 1:2-4 says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance." You don't grow on the mountaintop. You grow in the valley. But you're not meant to stay there forever. Some things need to be let go of. To refresh your soul, you might need to release bitterness, unforgiveness, control, guilt, shame, those aren't weights God asked you to carry. Jesus said in John 10:10, "The thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I have come that they may have life, and have it to the full." That full life doesn't mean no problems. It means no panic in the problems. Triumph through God. Let's be clear. You're not weak for having struggles. You're not less than because you cry. You're human. But with God, you're also powerful. Philippians 4:13 says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." That includes starting over. That includes forgiving someone who hurt you. That includes holding on to hope when nothing looks like it's working. And it includes walking with God even when it doesn't feel like He's walking with you. Our promise as a channel. This channel isn't just content. It's community. We're building this together, post by post, story by story. And you'll be able to say, I was here in the beginning. I was part of the first video. And if you're still watching, you were meant to be. God is writing a story with your life. And no chapter is wasted. If you remember nothing else from this video, hold on to this: you are not too late. You are not too broken. You are not too far gone. God specializes in new beginnings. Isaiah 43:19 says, "See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it?" This is your new beginning. If this video reminded you that you're not alone, subscribe. Leave a comment below. And come back, because we're just getting started. Let's grow. Let's heal. Let's walk this out, unscripted, but never unloved. God bless you.